Are you looking for your next big flip or maybe a do-it-yourself project that actually has the space to grow? Welcome to 209 L Street Northeast in Ardmore, Oklahoma. This 1960s bungalow is tucked away right at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. But the real kicker, it sits on 2 city lots, nearly an acre, and it backs right up to Cardinal Park. You've got the privacy, the shade of these mature trees, and no neighbors behind you. Now let's be real. This is a breathe new life into it kind of home. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath layout with 936 square feet. The high ceilings and original wood floors give it a great foundation, but the roof needs a total replacement, as you can see, and the property is currently condemned. This is a blank canvas for an investor who knows how to see past the mess to the potential. I loved this space right here. It's a utility room, so you've got your washer and dryer here with some storage, and then this is a lovely space for a pantry. This is honestly a great space to be able to give you some elbow room to really change the layout of this house. But what I'm going to tell you is if you do that, do not eliminate space for a utility room or a pantry. Those are 2 high demand things that people are looking for in homes. This is a peek into the back bedroom. We're going to come back around to that here in just a second. But here you can see the original siding that was on the house. But we're going to walk on around to the 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. So something that really struck me was just how good of condition the floors were in this house. I've been in numerous move-in ready homes that do not have floors in this good of condition. Something else that I noticed too was that the back 2 bedrooms, I did not notice any signs of roof leaks back here yet. The roof obviously needs to be fully replaced, but I was really surprised that I wasn't seeing signs of the roof leaking in these back rooms. So the decking may be in decent condition, you never know. Something for builders or DIYers to consider when they're redoing this house is to make that back bedroom a little more accessible other than through this bedroom. So I believe this room was where the hot water heater had been located. But again, if you could relocate that to that utility room and then any of your breaker boxes, mechanicals into that utility room, that would be awesome. But here's the ensuite for the master bedroom. And again, not really seeing any signs of leaks in the roof here, which is awesome. Have some built-ins and then just a small vanity, but you can fit a full-size tub in here. So I would highly recommend keeping that. That is something that people do look for. But if you could add another bathroom into this home, so it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, I think you're hitting a sweet spot for that after renovated value. But this yard, I just truly fell in love with this yard in this location. I could easily imagine sitting out here entertaining and just enjoying that back patio. But the stem walls all the way around the house seem to be, again, in pretty good condition. I was really surprised seeing how well the floors and foundation were on this particular house. So call me. My number's on the screen right now.